I almost stopped using AiChat after the first day. Seriously. When I first saw the sales page claiming it could send messages to millions of Facebook and Instagram users using AI, I thought there was no way this could be as easy as they were making it sound. But after testing AiChat for the last few days, I discovered something that completely changed my opinion. And if you're thinking about buying AiChat, watch this video until the end, because I'll show you what I liked, what I didn't like, and I've also put together 2 exclusive bonuses for anyone who grabs it through my link below. So if you want to check it out at any point, the link is in the description. So after logging in, everything is cloud-based. No software installation, no complicated setup, no hosting, no technical configuration. The platform is designed around Facebook and Instagram messaging automation. The idea is simple. Instead of building an email list and paying monthly autoresponder fees, AiChat focuses on reaching people through meta messaging channels. What caught my attention was that it combines lead generation, AI messaging, social media automation, and chatbot features under one dashboard. By the second day, I started testing some of the automation features. The software includes AI-powered messaging, chatbot automation, social media posting, story creation, auto-replies, lead generation tools, and even built-in affiliate promotions. Here's what I liked. Easy setup, cloud-based access, built-in AI automation, commercial license included, social media management features, one-time pricing instead of monthly subscriptions, for the honest part. This is not a magic button. If you're expecting to click once and become rich tomorrow, that's unrealistic. You still need offers, you still need marketing knowledge, and you still need to learn the platform properly. Like any software, results depend on how you use it. Now, if you decide AiChat is a good fit for you and pick it up through my link below, you'll get these exclusive bonuses from me. Bonus 1. AI Affiliate Review Video Script Vault. Value $4.99. I'll give you my collection of high-converting review video templates, hooks, CTAs, and curiosity-driven structures that you can use for promoting affiliate products on YouTube. Bonus 2. 100 High-CTR Thumbnail Headlines Pack. Value $649. A swipe file containing proven review-style thumbnail texts and curiosity headlines designed specifically for software and AI product promotions. These bonuses are designed to help you get traffic and conversions faster. Combined value, over $1,000, and you'll get both bonuses free when you purchase through my link below. So after testing AiChat, my verdict is this. If you're looking for an all-in-one AI-powered messaging and social media automation platform with a one-time price, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. I especially like the commercial license angle and the automation features built into the platform. If you want to grab AiChat, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review video.